Continue.
Hello friends, today we are unboxing this
air blower, hot air blower, not cold air
room
blower.
heater.
Not hot air blower. This is Bajaj in India.
RFX2.
RFX2. Yeah. Let's open. This is nothing. This is nothing.
This
now,
is a
nothing.
warranty card and user manual.
What
How
the
to use
heck?
this.
What is going on that time?
Wow, it is very lightweight and safety tips which is there. In winter it heat room, and in summer it will be used as fan also. So 2 seasons
Wait,
we
man.
can use this one.
Wait, I'm opening. What are you doing?
We have three controllers. One is 2000
Hi,
watts
freeze.
and 1000 watts. In summer we use this fan also. This is off button.
Here in the middle, here it stops. From here it stops. Okay.
This is an
This is all
international
open.
design. Super clean surface finish.
Super
Like this.
lightweight, super lightweight.
Lightweight. 2 heat settings. One is 2000 watts and another one is 1000 watts. Overheating protection is there. Self resetting thermal cutout and thermal fuse also is there. Adjustable thermostat for temperature control. And the power indicator also there. Inbuilt handle. We are using this for 2-3 days. It works. Experience is good.
And well. Great and well. Back is all fanny. That's why you fans.
It has some coils inside.
Where is
Look at
coil?
this.
Oh, these coils. Oh, I want the gravity coil in the Roblox game. I love gravity coil and speed coil
Okay.
in the Roblox game. I love it.
This is the warranty card.
Guarantee. Not warranty.
Start.
Now we are switch on this. Now we put this on max. There is a fan and back side coil inside.
Two load out.
Automatically it turns off. I put this on 1000 watts. Now I am changing to 2000 watts. This is the second option. It warms. Look at over there, the coil is hot. works great.
But your baby's crying. But your baby's crying.
Okay, I am going.
But our
Okay.
baby's
So thumbs up
crying.
here.
Thumbs up. Happy warm winter.
Happy warm winter. Happy warm winter. Warm, warm, warm. ఎన్ని ఫోటోలు ఇస్తావు అసలు ఎందుకు మనకు ఎప్పుడో తెలిస్తే తెలియదు కదా. Here's when
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share. Thanks.
Subscribe for more videos.
Thanks